Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will delve into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to overlook any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.11. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of negative 0.34% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.17% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The existing 3-month trend anticipates a possible decrease of nearly 19% over the next 3 months, suggesting a possible return that could range between a decline of nearly 39% and a drop of around 12%. Looking at a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of approximately 36%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of about 51% to a drop of nearly 12% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would mean the future price could fall somewhere between $47.30 and $84.08. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price down approximately 0.342% on Tuesday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price decreased by approximately 0.342% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. The stock fell from $96.39 to $96.06. During the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.94%, with a day low of $95.33 and a day high of $97.18. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a gain of 1.65%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume tends to follow stock movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 11 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares changing hands for approximately $1.85 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the stock price is 48.71%, or $91.22, below the 52-week high, and 57.74%, or $131.24, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is set to release an important earnings report next week. Wall Street is anticipating earnings growth that could have a positive impact on the stock price. Many analysts believe the company has the right factors in place for a potential earnings beat. This momentum could enhance investor confidence, particularly given its robust product pipeline and significant prospects in artificial intelligence revenue. Additionally, notable investor Cathie Wood has been purchasing AMD stock recently, despite broader market corrections affecting technology companies with high multiples. This institutional interest signals potential for upward price movement, as it often attracts other investors looking for market leaders. Technical analysis suggests a possible trend reversal for AMD, supported by indicators such as bullish crossovers and rising relative strength. Is the upcoming earnings report, scheduled for the 6th of May, triggers a rally? It could pave the way for significant short-term gains. However, the stock has faced recent pressure amid a broader sell-off in the technology sector, highlighting the volatility in this area. Analysts believe that positioning for earnings surprises and opportunities in artificial intelligence could still enable AMD to exceed market expectations. In the long term, sustained growth in artificial intelligence and adherence to a solid roadmap could strengthen AMD's market position, making it an appealing prospect for investors. Overall, the forthcoming earnings report and technical indicators suggest that AMD may be at a critical inflection point, potentially influencing both short and long-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities granted Advanced Micro Devices a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned a buy grade to Advanced Micro Devices with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned a hold grade to Advanced Micro Devices with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave Advanced Micro Devices a neutral grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to Advanced Micro Devices with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 22.82%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Advanced Micro Devices stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this means there is an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $97.53. Conversely, if it declines, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $92.25. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will yield another sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 124 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this scenario, Advanced Micro Devices has support just below today's level at $85.76. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.64 and $78.21. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.85 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.94%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is either overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 93 cents. It is wise to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $96.84. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $85.76. If this support level remains intact, it could present an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.961. In total, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $92.52, reflecting a decline of 3.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 14 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices present several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to qualify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to maintain or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by approximately 129 thousandths of a dollar, beginning trading at $96.19. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on stockinvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.